Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Sheer, and today I'm going to bring you guys a video about how to change from log form to exponential. This thing is easy. This is 100% easy peasy. Now, if you follow this, please make sure to take notes and not actually take notes because this is a personal video and private video. Probably not even private. I don't care. But anyways, bringing you with an equation. Now, every single time you do math, this is an easy way that I do. This might take a long time, but it will prove the accuracy of whatever you do. Whatever you're trying to solve, which it's going to be 100% easy. Now, every single time you do math, you got to write out the equation and write all the process out. Now, that's what I'm going to do here. So let's get started. So you're going to follow the same rule of b to the power of x equals to y. And you basically have everything. So yeah. So the equation says that y equals to log base of 5 open parentheses of 3x to the power of 3 minus by 6. Now, there's this. There's this right here. There's this big annoying number. What do I do? Well, it's easy. It's actually pretty easy because what you're gonna do is you're basically doing the same thing, but with additional steps. You have to pull this thing out. So yeah. So now, let's go ahead and do it. First of all, every single switch is you're gonna change the values, the variable. So you're going to change your y to x, x to y. X equals to log of base 5 and 3x to the power of 3 minus by 6. Now that is your form. That's your current form. That's after you switch the variables. So now what you're going to do is you're going to isolate. What do I mean by that? So your log base 5. Your base is your b, which you follow this equation, which this equation is pretty simple to remember, but no doubt this is the easiest equation to remember because there's only 3 things to remember. So now, what you're going to do is you're going to put your log of base 5, you're going to put 5 on there, sorry for the crappy 5, and your exponent is going to be your x, so yeah. So now you got that. Now your log is gone. This part is basically out of the way, so now you have zero hassle. And I screw up on that. That's supposed to be a y, but YOLO. I don't care. But that's supposed to be a y, so no excuse for me. My mistake. Everybody makes mistakes sometimes. So minus by 6. Now what are you gonna do next? Now ask yourself, like, what are you gonna do next? You're gonna add by 6. You're gonna add by 6, and it's not gonna be go up here since it's still connected to y, and it's still on 3. I'm sorry, still connected to y. So yes, now it's gonna look something like this. This is what's gonna look like. It's gonna look like 5 to the power of x plus by 6, and it's gonna be 3y to the power of 3. What do I do after this now? So now, this is gonna be a little bit difficult, but you gotta divide by 3. Why? Well, you're trying to isolate y, and trying to isolate the entire equation so it can equal out to y. So now it's gonna be divided by 3. So now you're at that point, you're like, hey, how do I still continue this if I have an entire big top-notch equation like this? It's not actually top-notch, but it's look like this after you solve it. It's gonna look like this. Now you're not done yet. Hold up, let's refresh the page, get a fresh new board. So now you left with this. My mistake, 5x plus 5 to the power of x actually doesn't mean anything. but actually mean a lot. So yeah. There we go. 5 to the power x plus by 6 over by 3. So now we have a lot of space to do a lot of math. So now this is what you're gonna do. Your y to the power of 3 is gonna turn into a fraction. You're gonna basically flip this entire thing into a fraction, and you're gonna bring it all the way over here, but not affecting the entire equation. It's going to be in parentheses, so it's going to be 5 to the power of x plus by 6, not on top of the exponents, plus by 6 over under by 3, and to the power of 1/3 goes to y. So that's how you do it. But last step, don't worry, I know this video is long, but last step is you gotta put this back into its normal form. And now over 3, and then 1/3. Boom, right there. Done. That's how you do it. Yay.